Hello friends, it's Daryl, and I'm here today with a really cool product review for you. It's a dash cam, and I've done dash cams before and shown them to you, but this one's even different. It's got a lot more advanced features and some really cool stuff, and I think you're going to like this because it's easy to install, seamless, and there are no wires hanging down anywhere. That's really a big plus, to have that option to have it hardwired into the system easily by yourself with no wires visible while you're driving. I think you're going to like this one. Follow along and find out. Let's get started. We're going to do an unboxing. This is from FITCAMX. That's a dash camera. They make a bunch of different models of these, and they're custom made for each vehicle. So you know you're going to need to order the right one to fit your particular vehicle when you do this. They are not interchangeable because they're custom fit for the wiring harness. You can tell they take pride in their product with the nice packaging here. Individually packaged parts inside the box as well. You're not going to have any damage in shipping when you buy one of these. These are some of the special highlights we have. Wi-Fi, which means you're going to be able to download your pictures to your phone without pulling the SD card all the time. It has loop recording, which means it records time loop clips. And when the memory card is full, it goes back to the oldest one and rewrites it and goes over the top. G-force sensor marks the time of any impacts it feels, so it will automatically record the time of the accident or incident. Wide angle lens, so you can record things that are happening coming from the left and right side of you. Perfect fit, custom made with wiring harness, and good sound quality. The owner's manual is comprehensive and comes in 7 languages, which is handy. The parts package contains a mounting plate. Here we can see that the mounting bracket is attached to the camera itself right now, and we're going to separate that before we do the installation. It also comes with tools, a new trim screw for your mirror, because when you put this one on, the factory screw is a little too short. So this will take the place of the original screw that holds the trim cap on your mirror. It also comes with a Torx bit, Allen wrench, and a washer for the screw. Pull the connector wire out of the back of the mirror, the one that controls your automatic dimming function. We'll pull that out of the back of the mirror. We'll plug this end into the mirror. The factory wire goes into this end of this adapter clip, and then this small wire goes over to the new camera. Pretty straightforward. Since it's Wi-Fi capable, it will download the video files directly to your phone, but I have to say it's not a real fast process. If you're in a hurry, they've also included this special little adapter that can plug into a phone or PC to transfer the files more quickly. They make installation really easy. If you scan this QR code on the front of your user manual, that will take you to a YouTube installation video which shows you how easy it is. Or when you're done with that, you want to install the app on your phone. We have QR codes here for the Apple Play Store and for the Google Play Store. Here's something else that's really nice. They've included this really high quality plastic spudger tool to facilitate removal of the dash cam once it's installed. The camera itself snaps onto it with 4 little tabs. It's kind of hard to get out using your fingers, but if you lift up on one little corner and then you work this tool all the way down each side, it pops right off. So this is going in my 2016 F-150 with the XLT trim, and this is very model specific. Some vehicles are made to fit, others aren't. You gotta make sure you get the right one for your vehicle. You need to have the automatic dimming rear view mirror in order for this to work, with the wire going to it, because that's the wire that's going to supply power for the dash camera. Another important part is do not have your key turned on or power on while you're installing the wiring. My truck does not have the mounting screw on the mirror mount. It's a plastic quick connector that hooks on in a different way. So the mounting bracket they gave me for this isn't going to have to work. I'm going to have to use the self-adhesive glue-on stickiness to this to mount this directly to the windshield, which is okay because they give us a nice cutout around it and it's going to fit up there nice and neat. If your mirror bracket does not have that screw in the bottom to remove the trim panel on it, then you have to use the self-adhesive tape to stick the adapter onto the glass. Some cars have that screw which removes the trim plate and others don't, and mine did not. So The camera comes on automatically every time you start the vehicle. The button on the left will manually turn it off, however, and the button to the right will take a still photo. The camera is 4K quality, and I believe it because the detail here is really good. I record most of my YouTube videos in 1080 Full HD using my Galaxy S10 Plus smartphone. And I would say this has just as good of an image as my phone does. And we're going to compare them here in a second so you can see this one actually might be better than my phone. In this nighttime side-by-side comparison, the dash cam is on the left and my Samsung is on the right. The colors are much bolder and more clear with the dash cam. Very good quality image.